Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The most beneficent and the most merciful. First of all, principal of this institute and respected teachers of Markazi Darul Uloom and the students of Markazi Darul Uloom, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we talk about the topic of Independence Day. As we know that Independence Day for any country is like a festival, and the people of Pakistan celebrate this festival with enthusiasm and joy. They unite together under the green and white flag of Pakistan and rejoice their happiness with friends and family. People from all over the country have different ways of celebrating the Independence Day. Some people dress up in green and white to show their love for the country, and the others visit the national monuments like Minar-e-Pakistan and Quaid-e-Azam Mausoleum. And some people also use this opportunity to meet with relatives and give gifts to their loved ones. On the other hand, children also enjoy this day to the fullest. There are functions arranged across all madaris in the country where children speak national history of the Pakistan and enjoy sumptuous meals. They do not have regular classes on this day, which allow them to have free time off, due to which children look forward to the Independence Day. There is also a trend in many homes to decorate their houses with flags and paper flags. And from adults to children, everyone participates in doing the decorations. Which spirit from among these people? This is the spirit of Pakistan, as patriotism runs in their veins. And what is patriotism? Patriotism means love for motherland or devotions to one's country. Also, the people of Pakistan enjoy this Independence Day with patriotism and great passion. They should remember what Jinnah's dream was, and they must question themselves whether they have made this country according to his dreams, or they have forgotten the reason for the formation of Pakistan. On the other hand, guys, we believe that these are the times when majority of the Pakistanis are thinking about leaving Pakistan, are thinking about the leaving Pakistan, and many of them have actually migrated and settled in other countries. But I can say Pakistan is not a bad country. It will portray to be. I still love Pakistan, and there are hundreds of reasons why I love it. Pakistan is a result of the sacrifices of millions of Muslims of the subcontinent and the efforts of Muhammad Ali Jinnah to get a separate homeland for an independent nation. How can I get the sacrifices with my ancestors gave to me provide an independent homeland? How I am not supposed to love with my ancestors died fighting for? No, I love Pakistan because of the plain reason that it has allowed me to practice my religion freely. Majority of the people are around me are of the same culture and religion as I am, which could give me a sense of belonging and affection for them and the country. On the other hand, people says we are victim of terrorism. No doubt, these are challenging times. But which country is not a victim of terrorism? You have forgotten the attack on US World Trade Center. Every country is facing crisis. But this does not mean we leave our country. When it needs our support of them the most. I love those people of my country who want peace loving, and majority of them do want peace. Also, I love Pakistan. I can't ignore the problem it is going through. But instead of leaving my country, because the problems it is facing, I want to live here and contribute in any way, and I could take my country out of trouble because I truly love Pakistan. Have a nice day.